The ultimate, whatever you want. Okay, so Kristin, take it away. Have fun. And if you've got your notepads and pens, and she's talking, I'd be writing down.
Thank you so much, Todd. Really appreciate it. Now we're able to do Zoom. We're able to show them properties, all sorts of different stuff. So you got to make sure whatever you're doing that you figure out, like we have some people, and I'm not saying this works for everybody, track. Even if you're a buyer's agent on a team or if you aren't or whatever, how many showings to go under contract? Just like Tracy said, they have 8. In our market right now, it's like 4. Okay, 4 homes that they actually see before they go under, or before they write a contract, I should say. But in normal, 8 to 10, let them know that. The most our people see are 8 to 10 homes because we'll show you everything before you go. You're gonna drive by them, That's time management. That's making sure that you aren't, if you're showing them 30, 40 homes, that's on you. Why? Because you're afraid that if you don't do it, that they're gonna go elsewhere, right? So, what do you gotta do? You just gotta control it, guys, and you gotta tell them what is in it for them. What is the benefit for them to drive by the homes to see which, because what happens so often when you drive by homes, oh, I don't like the neighborhood, right? I don't like that home. Being here in Florida, we do have a lot of gated communities. So drive by the community, check it out, okay? But the other thing that we do a lot of is on Zoom. Let us show you this property. Let us show. So if I know, one of the things we do identify is their personalities right up front. A D personality is going to make a decision like that. They just want to see homes, or, you know, a couple homes, and make decisions. The right home, and make a decision. If you're working with a C, that is not going to work. So number one, you got to know your personalities. And when you're working with a C, they want to see, and even S's too, they want to see 30, 50 homes. They want to compare. They want to do this. So you know who you're working with and how to work with them. So those, what we like to do is show them everything online and go through them and show it to them and tell them, you're going to see all the properties right here and show it all to them. But you don't have to physically go and show them. Now, are they motivated? What is their why? You have to ask a lot of questions. Oh, you know what? I'm looking to move. I want to move by January. I'm paying month to month. I've lived here for 10 years, and I'm paying $1,000 a month. Does that seem that motivated to you? You have to ask more questions. What I find with our agents, team leaders, agents on team, everybody, you're not asking enough questions to find out really where they're at in the buying process. I have 4 kids. I'm living with my mom. We're sleeping on the couch. Am I motivated? Ask questions. Just in our team meeting with our team leaders, in our brokerage, I was talking to one of the team leaders, and I said, I don't remember exactly what it was, but I was asking, did you ask this? She's like, no. I'm like, what? You didn't ask any of those questions. She's running around showing properties. This person's not even motivated. Like, where's that time management? But if you aren't asking the right questions, you got to read between the lines. They're going to tell you, oh, yeah, I'm motivated. I want to close by January, right? But then when you start asking more questions, that's not the case. So you got to figure it out, and you got to ask questions and dig until you really figure out the